example, I want to upload any of the actor into my Python games. So what I will do, I will choose any of the picture. So for example, let me choose a picture like this. And if I can see here, it has a size of around more than 8 KB, which is 900 times 673. So what is the first step? You have to choose a transparent background. So what can you do? You first save this particular image in your particular location. Say it be the desktop of mine. So I will just name it as flower and I will click save. Then I will open photoscissors.com and I will upload this image of flower from my desktop and then click open. So my image is right here. It is 0.3 MB and this is the image. So I will click here and automatically it should take the transparent background, because now this one is transparent. The previous one was not without transparent, and I have make sure that you have chosen the transparent mode and then click download. So yeah, we will go for the free one. So download in low resolution, doesn't matter because we need this one. Yes, and I will click on desktop and I will write flower. Okay, I have written flower and saved. Once we are ready with our transparent background image, we'll go to our website imgonline.com. Now this is an online photo editor. If you have your Windows or Mac and you have inbuilt photo editor, you can of course use that to resize. Now for this website online editor, I will go to resize option and I will first of all choose my file with the transparent background. So here my transparent background, generally it has a format extension of .png. It's uploaded here. I will choose the width and size for my sprite as minimum 8 KB, so I will simply write here 80 cross 80 and I will choose on keep the aspect ratio checked on, and I will also use tick without changes, same as original image. So the original image had a transparent background and the output image will also have a transparent background. Now I'll click OK, and if I see here now the image resizing is successfully completed. You can either directly download or you can just open the processed image and check that it has a resized and it has a transparent background. So I hope that you have understood. You can now save this image in the images folder of your Python game library and use it as an actor.